Kumba Rakhe manlau snem Sngi burom Nonghikai ïaka bela Rakhe Tarik Nailur ka ophis jong district school education officer but sub-divisional school education officer Bhoi district mynta Sngi Tarik Nailur hapdeng jingiphuh iphieng kila Rakhe Sngi burom Nonghikai lani teachers day ïaka bela pynlong Parish Hall Nongpoh bynhei jingiaroh Nonghikai halor synñiang bynhei ban kyntiew samla pule bat nang start kamtam ban penwandori samla pule. Hakani Sngi lawan bani don bentalang do Bah Mayralborn Syiem MLA ka Nongpoh kumukongsan haka jing don rengkat Eric Calvin Dekar MCS BDO umling C&RD block kum sembut kongsan ka kong paidolin L nonglat di SEO Bhoi bat kiwe ki officer ki Nonghikai bat ki kena school. Hakani kejing Rakhe la samru iki kusnam syaki Nonghikai haka district kibla syajit halor synñiang bakila no syaka puli puthi bat kamtam ban kyntiew kejing nang jing start bakentup ika kong June Mary Sun na peding ki Nonghikai lower primary level bat kabadai ru ke head teacher Sngi government LP school kat baka kong balong sya rimpen kabala syajit haka kedan upper primary level kabadai ru ke assistant teacher jong Minken government UP school Bhoi rembong kat bahaka secondary level layo do upadam chetri ubade assistant teacher jongka Nehru Memorial High Secondary School Sning. Nalor kita ki Nonghikai nakaliang ka office uti SEO but SDSEO kala samru iki khusnam syaki samla puli ke bela pas bha ke bela wanra ka nam bat burom ïaka district.
Then God and earth, who will water the seas, the one who has
right and what is wrong, right? If your teacher or another take the initiative to study and do your work quietly, especially your exam are coming up soon, right? Let's remember to be disciplined so that you will achieve your goal. I know you can capable of doing better, okay? Yes or no, students? Okay then.
life ideas and ideals and principles that you have instilled upon each one of us. Teachers, in more ways than one, are the unsung heroes of our society. They play a pivotal role in nurturing the minds of not only the next generation but also of the current generation. And they help in imparting knowledge, instilling ideas, values, and helping us discover that flame which is within us. On this Teachers' Day, let us reflect upon the invaluable contributions that teachers have made to our lives and also to society as a whole. They not only provide us with education, but also teach us life skills, values, and ethics that help us be and become rounded, reasonable, well thought of human beings. As we celebrate this day, it is important to remember that, as you may know, teaching is not just a profession, it is a calling. It takes patience, dedication, and a genuine love for learning to be an effective teacher. They don't just impart information, they inspire, motivate, and ignite the flames of curiosity in their students. They create an environment where students can explore their interests, ask questions, and also dream big. Today I stand here as a former teacher myself. I used to enjoy reading, I used to enjoy the opportunity to just highlight upon the hard work that you've done, and I think for all the dedication that you carry on, for all the hard work, for all the time that you invest into your students, I think you deserve, each one of you teachers deserve a very, very big round of applause. So I take this opportunity to tell you to please clap for yourselves and give yourselves a very big hand. My deepest gratitude to our teachers, and also thank you for your unwavering commitment and also for having belief in us, because what we are today, if I may be a little personal, what I am today, the heights that I've achieved, and also the steps that I'm taking consistently every day, is because there's a constant reminder that through the humility of teachers, you always remember that life every day is a process, and the journey is something that you should enjoy, and the journey is something that is carried forward on and is led by our teachers. And in conclusion, as we celebrate today, your day, Teachers' Day, let us remember that what you are doing is a noble mission. You are guided, you are put on this earth for a purpose by the Lord Almighty Himself, to impart upon the younger ones and also the older ones and the living that we have a purpose in life, and you are there to guide us.
When a single student, they raise their hand that day. I'm very upset that day. I asked why? Why you don't want to become a teacher? There are multiple reasons maybe. It may be justified, it may not. Then I asked who want to become a doctor? 4 or 5 of them raised their hand. Who want to become an engineer? 4 or 5 of them they raised their hand. So these are the perspectives that we are going through. I don't know, maybe I'm right or wrong, but this perception is there that if you put on priority basis majority of the students to select their profession, very less they will opt for a teaching profession. I may be right, I may be wrong, subject to verification. That's why it is very important that in the present day generation, that we have to infuse into the mind of our dear student, into the society as a whole, that teachers is a very noble profession. Even though I didn't have the opportunity to be a teacher in the past, each and every successful person, like we said, behind every successful man, there is a woman. Behind every successful student, there is a teacher behind, who support like a pillar, who become like a second parent, to guide, to nurture, to encourage students. And behind each and every one of us who are here, we have to give thanks to a woman being a mother. A woman that rocked the cradle, ruled the world. Nomor kata ke jing kordoa, jong jingiphuh jong ini yo, lagi di Kyrpang, di Kyrpang, di Nonghikai, Kamtang. We are here today to witness this beautiful day where whole of our country we dedicate to the teachers fraternity within our country. Hats off to all of you, the principal, the teachers who are here, for your dedication, for your hard work, for whatever that you have contributed towards the society. Thank you so much for that. As a legislator, we understand the difficulties that the teachers fraternity they are going through in our state. Multiple issues are there. We have one of the complicated educational system in our state. That's the fact. Compared to other states or compared to other countries. Teachers at different level, be it a full-fledged government, be it on deficit pattern, be it on ad hoc pattern, be it under SSA, be it under fully private, multiple challenges are there where teachers, most of the time, they have to run from pillar to post for the rights, for many issues that is still pending for the administration to address.
Okay. Also, this